Hi guys, most of you in the UK will know that Pound World is going out of business. It's Poundland, Pound World, Pound Stretcher, various different companies. Well, Pound World is in receivership and they're selling everything off at a discount. Most of it half price, some of it even better than half price. So I picked up this little plastic swing top bin, 75 pence. A little solar wobbler that's fallen apart, so I'm going to have a look at that. They're normally £1, so that was 50 pence I think. A couple of 9-volt batteries. They were normally £1 each, so they were 50 pence each as well. To be honest, it breaks my heart. Not just because they're closing down, but because most of what they've got in there I didn't want to buy even at half price. All the good stuff's already gone, so it's only sort of the dregs, the stuff that have been left in the back of the warehouse that they're now getting rid of. So there you go. Pound World is in receivership, I believe, and everything's discounted.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.